Hey guys, LEGO Dude here with a review of Corn Hunter on the second wave of breakout. He is, oops, let me get these parts out of the way. So, he is one of the characters that combine
you're in the picture now.
That combine with bulk. So I'm just adjust the camera. There are his parts. Now let's get an inventory of them. Here we have, let's see, 3 of these claw-like pieces that were introduced in the 3.0 series. They are in shiny and black. Then we have just a bunch of these little, let's see, Technic pieces. Little Technic pieces there. So there's nothing interesting. There. Then we have, let's see, these 2 straight spike pieces that are in red. I hope you see that there. 2 in red. Then we have, oh, let me see here. 2 of these 4 armor pieces in gunmetal gray. Then we have the head in a transparent orange. See? We have just these 2 regular old sausage joints, which are more durable than the bionicle ones, kind of the fact that they're a little bit, a lot thicker than they were. And then we have this little piece that has 2 ball joints and these 2 pins, or whatever you call them, connectors. Then we have, let's see here, 6 of these red curved claw pieces. So you see that? There. And we have 6 of them in shiny red. Then 2 of these 5 armor pieces in red, which are usually used on Inferno. Then now I'm just gonna get all these regular old bone pieces that you've seen before, right there. You can pause the video at any time and look at the individual parts. Then we have these 2 blade pieces. They're the short ones, used on Black Phantom in wave 1. Then we have this old armor piece in black. In the Breakout movie, they usually use these on the back of some heroes. So there, we have it in a new color, black. And then we get this new armor piece, which isn't exactly new. They use these on the heroes. Only this time it's black with these unprinted sides. There. There you go. And we have it in black. Then we have the plasma blaster. It goes like this, which shoots out this green standard size Zamor sphere. Then we have this piece, which is borrowed from Raka, with these let's see, 1, 2, 3, 10 slots in them, and these 2 these 2 connectors at the end. And we have these 2 new molds. These are let's see, shoulder or leg add-ons, and we have these 2 little pins and to connect them to armor. So they have 2 of them in black. Then we have the standard size body, standard height, standard width with the extra ball joint add-ons. And we have the 2 feet in shining black there. And then we have the, let me see, multi-vision helmet or mask, whatever you want to call it, with 6 eye holes and one pin at the bottom. And we have this last armor add-on piece used on Black Phantom. So that's it for parts. Let's start building. And there is Core Hunter already in assemble. Give it, or you can see all the individual parts. There's Core Hunter, and he's one of my, let's see, seventh video to date. So he's Core Hunter, and maybe next time it'll get, maybe I might even give more views. So that's it. With this review